How to navigate healthcare for a successful retirement. What if I told you that one small mistake in your healthcare plan could cost you everything you've saved for retirement? Would you believe it? Many retirees think once they stop working, healthcare will be easy. But the truth is, retirement healthcare is one of the most confusing and expensive parts of life after 60. From Medicare options, to out-of-pocket costs, to long-term care, there's so much to understand. So, in this video, we'll break it all down, in simple English. No big grammar. No stress. Just clear answers. Let's dive into how you can protect your health, your money, and your peace of mind in retirement. Before we begin, please, I would appreciate it if you like this video. You can help me continue to spread the age-old lesson. If you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you click the subscription button below this video and turn on the bell notification, like and share this video, so I can be motivated to make another video as quick as possible next tomorrow, and you don't miss any of my videos this week. If you like this video, please kindly comment yes in the comment section below. If you don't like it, comment no to let me know so I can make another better video for you next tomorrow. Now, let's get started. Why healthcare in retirement is a big deal. Microphone. Did you know most people spend more money on healthcare after 60 than ever before? Here's why. As you get older, your body needs more care. Medicines, tests, and treatments can cost a lot. If you don't plan well, you may run out of money quickly. Pushpin. Shocking fact. A couple retiring at age 65 in Nigeria or the US may need over 20 million Nigerian nairas or $300,000 for healthcare alone. Brain. But don't panic. That's why we're here. What healthcare options do retirees have? Let's make it simple. Here are the main options you'll hear about. 1. Medicare, for those in the US. Part A. Covers hospitals. Free if you worked and paid taxes. Part B. Doctor visits. You pay a monthly fee. Part C. Medicare Advantage combines A and B, sometimes covers drugs. Part D. For medicines. Important, you must sign up at the right time or pay penalties. 2. National Health Insurance Schemes, NHIS, in countries like Nigeria. Some retirees may still benefit if they were public servants. Others must go private or use HMOs, health maintenance organizations. 3. Private health insurance. Great if you want more choices and faster care. Costs more, but gives peace of mind. 4. Employer-sponsored retiree coverage. Some jobs still give health benefits after retirement. Check before you leave. How to choose the best health plan for retirement. Microphone. Now, how do you choose what's best for you? Ask these questions. White heavy check mark. What health problems do I have now? White heavy check mark. Do I take any regular medicine? White heavy check mark. Can I afford monthly insurance payments? White heavy check mark. Do I travel a lot? Need global coverage? White heavy check mark. Do I want to pick my own doctors? Pushpin tip. If you wait too long to choose, you might pay more money later. Miss the best plans. Be stuck with poor coverage. Loudspeaker. Real story. A retiree named Mr. Tund ignored his healthcare options. By 68, he had a stroke. No insurance. His children had to sell land to pay the bills. Backhand index pointing right. Don't be like Mr. Tund. Plan ahead. Common healthcare mistakes retirees make. 500 to 600 words. Let's save you from big problems. Here are 5 mistakes many retirees make. 1. Waiting too long to enroll. 2. Ignoring drug coverage, prescriptions. 3. Choosing the cheapest plan, not best one. 4. Not reading what is covered. 5. Thinking the government will pay for everything. Loudspeaker warning. Medicare and other plans do not cover dental, eye care, hearing aids, long-term care. Long-term care. What is it and why it matters? Microphone. Long-term care means help with bathing, dressing, cooking, walking. Not hospital treatment, but daily help. Pushpin. This care is expensive, can cost 150,000 Nigerian nairas plus monthly in Nigeria or $5,000 per month in the US. Not fully covered by regular insurance. Light bulb. You can plan for this by Buying long-term care insurance early. About care plans. Loudspeaker smart move. Start a savings account for future care. Even small money monthly helps. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment yes in the comment section below to let me know you're here. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you click the subscription button below and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of our videos next tomorrow. Your support by promoting this video, subscribe, likes, and share helps us motivated and continue creating good content to inform and inspire you every day. Now, let's move forward. How to lower medical costs in retirement. Nobody wants to spend all their money on hospitals. So how can you spend less on healthcare? 1. Stay healthy. Walk daily. Eat fruits and veggies. Avoid smoking and alcohol. Sleep well. 2. Use preventive care. Checkups, vaccines, blood tests. Early care equals less cost later. 3. Shop around for insurance. Compare plans yearly. Look for discounts or group rates. 4. Use generic drugs. Same power, smaller price. 5. Ask for help. Non-profits or churches sometimes assist retirees. How to plan for healthcare costs. Microphone. You need a budget for health just like food or rent. White heavy check mark. Here's how to start. 1. List your current health needs. Doctor visits. Medicine. Tests. 2. Estimate yearly costs. Add 10 to 20% for surprise emergencies. 3. Include healthcare in retirement plan. Talk to a retirement planner. Don't depend on children or miracles. Loudspeaker golden rule. If you plan for health, retirement becomes joyful. If not, it becomes stressful. Tips for a healthy and peaceful retirement. Let's end with some golden advice for a happy, healthy retirement. White heavy check mark. Eat right. Less salt, more vegetables. White heavy check mark. Exercise 30 minutes daily. Walking is fine. White heavy check mark. Take your medicine on time. White heavy check mark. Stay social. Talk, laugh, meet people. White heavy check mark. Keep your brain active. Read, play games, learn something new. White heavy check mark. Do regular checkups. White heavy check mark. Reduce stress. Avoid toxic people. Forgive quickly. White heavy check mark. Trust God and rest more. Loudspeaker truth. Your body is like a car. The better you take care of it, the longer it lasts. Final words. Microphone. My friend, retirement is not the end of life, it's the beginning of peace. But peace only comes when your health is in check. Backhand index pointing right, so start now. Pick your health plan early. Save for future care. Stay active and happy. Please drop a comment below this video with one thing you've taken away from this and how you plan to put it into practice in your life. Your story might just inspire someone else. If you like this video, please leave your comment below this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips to help you stay strong and savvy. Expect our next video next tomorrow. Take care of yourself. You're more resilient than you think or know. Thanks for watching.